Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pizza Hut garlic bread. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a loaf of Italian or French bread, about 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic. We'll also use some dried parsley and a pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring that delicious, familiar taste. Now, let's create that signature garlic butter. Take your softened butter and place it in a small bowl. Mince your fresh garlic cloves as finely as possible. This helps distribute the flavor evenly. Mix the minced garlic into the butter, adding a small pinch of salt. You can also add 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley for extra color and a subtle herb note. With our flavorful garlic butter ready, it's time to assemble the bread. Slice your loaf of bread lengthwise, or if you prefer individual slices, cut it into pieces about 1 inch thick. Generously spread the garlic butter mixture over one side of each bread piece, ensuring full coverage. Don't be shy. The more butter, the more delicious the outcome will be. Finally, let's bake our garlic bread to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the buttered bread on a baking sheet and bake for 8 to 12 minutes, or until it's golden brown and wonderfully fragrant. Keep a close eye on it to prevent burning. Once done, slice and serve immediately to enjoy that classic Pizza Hut garlic bread taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.